Are you feeling uncertain about your retirement? Maybe your investments aren't giving you the peace of mind you deserve, especially with all the financial instability going on right now. In today's economy, with inflation at record highs and the stock market showing unpredictable swings, it's no wonder that so many American retirees are wondering if their retirement plan is truly secure. But what if I told you there's a simple, effective way to rebuild a retirement plan that actually feels safe again? Now, I know you've worked hard to get to where you are. Years of saving, planning, and sacrificing. But with the current state of the economy, rising inflation, a shaky stock market, and the constant fear of another financial crash, it's time to ask yourself, is your money really protected? The truth is, traditional retirement plans, like IRAs and 401ks, can leave you exposed to major risks, especially when it comes to inflation. In fact, according to recent news, inflation has been eating away at the purchasing power of retirement savings for years. What many don't realize is that the same assets you've worked so hard to accumulate might not be enough to protect your lifestyle when the unexpected happens. But what if there was a way to hedge against these risks and secure your retirement from the uncertainty around us? The answer lies in something that has withstood the test of time: gold. You might be wondering, why gold? Gold has been used for centuries as a store of value, and unlike paper currencies or stocks, it isn't subject to the same risks. Even in times of economic crisis, gold has maintained its value, offering a safe, stable investment for those looking to protect their wealth. But here's the kicker: you don't just have to buy gold in the form of coins or bars. There's a smarter, more efficient way to invest in gold, through a gold IRA. By rolling over your existing retirement funds into a gold IRA, you can protect your wealth from inflation, market volatility, and potential future crises. And the best part? Your gold investment grows tax-deferred until retirement. Let's break it down. A gold IRA is a retirement account that allows you to hold physical gold, silver, and other precious metals. Unlike stocks, these metals aren't dependent on the stock market's fluctuations. In fact, they've been shown to rise in value during economic downturns. So, if you want to sleep easy at night knowing your retirement savings are protected, a gold IRA might just be the solution you've been looking for. But here's where it gets even more interesting. By taking action today, you'll get a free, no-obligation consultation with one of our experts. They'll guide you through the process of transferring your IRA or 401k into a gold IRA and explain how this strategy can safeguard your wealth for years to come. We're not here to pressure you into anything. This is all about helping you make the best decision for your future. Remember, this free gold IRA guide and consultation is only for serious American retirees with $100,000 or more in retirement savings. If that's you, then it's time to protect what you've built. Your wealth deserves to be secure, and this is the most direct way to ensure it stays protected. I get it. You've worked your whole life for this. Your retirement is your future, and the future of your family. Let's make sure it stays that way, no matter what happens in the world. Click the link in the description to get your free gold IRA guide today. It's time to take control of your retirement and rebuild a plan that actually feels secure. And don't worry, there's no pressure, no gimmicks, just one-on-one education to help you understand if a gold IRA is the right fit for you. This is your chance to protect your wealth and create a secure future for yourself and your family. Don't wait until it's too late. Click the link now, and let's make sure your retirement is as safe and prosperous as it should be.